In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GitHub bot to Discord in 2024. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your server's functionality or you simply want to streamline updates from your GitHub repositories, this tutorial will walk you through every step necessary to link these powerful platforms together. Let's jump right in by heading over to Discord, navigate to the Discord website and log in by entering your email and password on the login page. Once you've filled in your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Discord dashboard. Next, we're going to locate our server on Discord. On the left-hand side of the Discord dashboard, you'll see a list of servers you're a member of. Click on the server where you want the GitHub bot to send updates. It's important to have the necessary administrative permissions on the server to proceed with the following steps. Once you're in the server, look for the server name at the top of the channel list and click on it. This will open a menu where you should select Server Settings. From the Server Settings menu, navigate to the Integrations tab. Here you'll see an option for webhooks. Click on it and then proceed by clicking on New Webhook. At this stage you'll need to provide a name for your webhook and select the Discord channel where you want the GitHub updates to be posted. Once you've configured these details, make sure to save the webhook URL provided by Discord, as we'll need this URL for the GitHub setup. Now let's switch gears and move over to GitHub. Head to the GitHub website and make sure you're logged in. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and from the drop down menu select your repositories. This will take you to a list of all your GitHub repositories. Search for the repository you want to link to your Discord server and click on it. Inside the repository, find the Settings tab and click on it. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option for webhooks on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that, then click on Add Webhook. Here comes the crucial part. In the Add Webhook page, you'll be prompted to enter several details. The most important part is the payload URL, where you'll paste the webhook URL you saved from Discord. This URL will link your GitHub repository to the Discord channel, enabling notifications from GitHub to flow into Discord. The rest of the settings can typically be left as defaults, but you have the option to customize which events trigger notifications. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, click on Add Webhook to finalize the integration. And there you have it. A GitHub bot now lives on your Discord server, ready to keep you and your team updated on commits, pull requests, and other activities from your GitHub repository. This seamless integration will not only save you time, but also enhance the collaboration within your team, ensuring everyone stays on the same page with the latest developments in your projects. Remember, both GitHub and Discord regularly update their interfaces and functionalities, so if you encounter any differences in the steps we've covered today, make sure to check the latest documentation provided by Discord and GitHub. And of course, experiment with different setups to find what works best for your specific needs and workflow. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add a GitHub bot to your Discord server in 2024. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding and see you in the next video.